In front of me is TCL 50SE, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. You need to begin by going into Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in Samsung Voice Recorder and get this app from Smart Mobi Tools developer. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit continue, select skip, tap on accept and use this red button to select allow into available pop-ups, audio 1 and notifications 1. Now if you tap on the same button, you will start recording. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same red button. If you want to delete your recording right away, pause it, hit this card on the left and confirm your choice in the pop-up. To add a bookmark though, you need to have your recording unpaused. Tap on place pin, also on the left, and type in wherever you want to, or not at all. Wherever you decided, hit OK to add your bookmark. To end and save your recording, select this check mark on the right. Then hit save at the top right corner. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. To play it, click on it. To rename it, hold it and click on. Click on this icon between the heart and the bin one, or select those three dots over here and tap on rename on the list. Either way, type in wherever you want to and hit OK. To get rid of it, you can tap on the same three dots and choose delete at the bottom, or hold it and click on the bin one. Either way, select delete in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!